Welcome back guys to Actron PC. Today we are going to discuss about a very amazing command which we called in computer language a Hibernate command. This command is very useful in case you have any light issues, electricity issues or any urgent piece of work you have held in between your work and you want to save as it is. Your windows are opened on your display and you want to reopen that window after shutdown as it is as you left them. So Hibernate is a very useful command for that reason. In this video I will show or represent you how to open a Hibernate command in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First of all, you have to have shown you you can see that in my start menu options there is no Hibernate command has been placed because I have installed new Windows, refreshed my Windows. You can see that Hibernate command is not enabled. So how to enable it? First of all, go to control panel, click power options. After you click power options, you can see some side advanced settings in it where you can see choose what the power button do, create a power plan, choose when to turn off the display, change when the computer sleeps, and some other options on the right side of your display. Notice one thing, I am using a desktop and I have CPU. That's why it is showing choose what the power button do. If you have a laptop, here it will be mentioned choose what the lid do. Lid means when you close your laptop and by default it was set to sleep, and when you open your laptop once again, press any key, it will reopen to that command. But in this case the power has not been switched off. In Hibernate you will shut down your PC, but the windows that were opened on your PC or laptop will remain as it is, because after using the Hibernate command, the files of the open windows on your desktop temporarily save to your RAM, your random access memory, in which some system files of that software or any Windows Chrome, like you have opened Chrome and software, anything you have opened, there some files has been temporarily stored in RAM. That's why when you reopen your window, RAM reads that files and directly opens that same condition as you left. So after clicking the choose what the power button do, you can see some options and you can see that it was hidden or unchecked Hibernate and we are not able to click the Hibernate button. You can see a change settings that are currently unavailable. It means you are providing access or authority to it to change the predefined settings or change the settings that are currently available. When you click on that, it will enable to check the Hibernate option. You can see, and clicking the Hibernate checkpoint, we have enabled the Hibernate options, and by saving changes you can see that on my Windows Hibernate command is enabled, and on start menu also you can see that ARB Hibernate command has been enabled. So this command is very useful when you have urgent piece of work and electricity issue or any other problem you have to face during your work. You can save your work as it was and reopen the work again in that same condition by the help of Hibernate command.